Forget everything you think you know about crypto mining, because today we're diving deep into GoMining to see if it truly lives up to the hype as the ultimate mining solution. First up, what exactly is GoMining? It's essentially a platform that lets you buy virtual miners, think of them like shares in a real-world mining operation, and earn daily Bitcoin rewards without dealing with noisy rigs or massive electricity bills. Step 1. Creating an account. Head over to their website, link in the description, and sign up using your email. Make sure to use a strong password for security. Next, it's time to choose your miner. You'll find a range of options with different performance levels and prices. Consider your budget and your desired daily returns. Pay attention to the THs, or terahashes per second, a measurement of mining power. Purchase your selected miner, and that's it. Now sit back and watch the Bitcoin roll in. It's important to understand that you are actually buying a license to access their mining operation. You can track your daily earnings right on your GoMining dashboard. From here you can reinvest your earnings into more miners to accelerate your profit. When you're ready to cash out, you can withdraw your Bitcoin earnings directly to your wallet. Just make sure you have set up your payment methods correctly. And remember to research and understand the risks before investing. So, is GoMining the best way to mine crypto? It simplifies the process and removes the headache of physical hardware. But do your own research and decide if it's right for you.